Hey, Koro, you know Mum?
Yes, I'm familiar with your mother, yes.
Well, what was she like when she was my age?
I am not going to answer that question.
Come on, Koro.
Oh, well, she was a lot like you, really. Very strong-willed.
What does that mean?
That means she was often a hōha and she talked too much.
Hey, Koro,
Yes, Moko?
did you have to growl her much?
Actually, I used to growl her brother more, and by the time she came along, I think I was a much nicer dad. And we had the rugby.
Eh? Did Mum play rugby?
No, I played rugby. You see, if she'd make me really angry, I'd think to myself, pause, halt, engage. Hey? Hey?
I don't get it.
Well, it's sort of like a rugby scrum. You don't know what's going on in there, you see. So I would pause so I wasn't angry. I'd hold and try and find out why she was feeling a little bit stink. And then I would engage. And we'd have a lovely little kōrero and everything would be sweet as.
Oh, so that's what stopped you from saying all that dumb angry stuff, eh, Koro?
Yeah.
You should try that with me sometimes.
Yeah. No. Do your work. Mahi a tō mahi.